Do you know what the Factory Act is and when it was applied? Today, we'll delve into the world of industrial legislation, starting with the Factory Act. This law was enacted with a noble purpose in mind: to safeguard the safety, health, and welfare of factory workers. It's not just a piece of paper with rules written on it. It's a commitment to protect lives. The Factory Act story begins in the year 1833 in the United Kingdom. Was a time when industrialization was rapidly changing the face of the world, and for worker protection became increasingly apparent. This act was a response to that need, designed to regulate working conditions in factories and uphold the rights of those who toiled within them. Factory Act is not just a historical relic. It is a living, breathing piece of legislation that continues to evolve and adapt to the needs of our fundamental piece of legislation. The Factory Act has shaped the way we approach worker safety and health ever since. This video is brought to you by HSE Training Classes, where our esteemed teacher, HSE Training Wala, provides comprehensive safety training. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your peers to stay updated with our latest content. This video is brought to you by HSE Training Classes, where our esteemed HSE Training Wala provides comprehensive safety training. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your peers to stay updated with our latest content. The Factory Act didn't just appear out of nowhere. Its inception and evolution over the years have been instrumental in shaping workplace safety standards. The journey of the Factory Act is a remarkable testament to the progress of industrial safety regulations. Let's journey back to the year 1833. This was when the first Factory Act was passed in the United Kingdom, marking the beginning of a new era in industrial safety. The Act primarily focused on reducing the working hours of children and introducing an age limit for young workers. As the Industrial Revolution progressed, so did the need for more comprehensive safety measures. This led to the Factory Act of 1844, introducing routine inspections of factories to ensure compliance with safety regulations. This act also introduced restrictions on child labor, a move that marked a significant step forward in the fight for workers' rights. Moving forward to 1867, we see yet another major amendment. The act was expanded to include all workshops with over 50 workers, further broadening its scope and impact. But the evolution didn't stop there. The Factory Act of 1878 consolidated all previous acts, introducing requirements for better ventilation and sanitation in factories. It also extended the regulations to all industries involving manual labor. Fast forward to the 20th century, the Factory Act of 1937 and 1961 in India introduced more stringent safety measures, including the provision for the welfare of workers and the regulation of employment. Through each amendment and change, the Factory Act has continuously adapted to the changing industrial landscape. It has evolved from a simple act focusing on reducing child labor to a comprehensive piece of legislation covering various aspects of industrial safety and workers' welfare. Over the years, the Factory Act has been amended several times to adapt to the changing industrial landscape and to further protect workers. It serves as a living testament to society's commitment to ensuring safe and fair working conditions for all. In today's world, the Factory Act is more relevant than ever. Designed to protect workers and ensure safe working conditions, the Act's principles are actively applied in numerous industries, particularly in construction and factories. Safety officers play a pivotal role in ensuring compliance with the Act. They're the ones on the front line, tasked with conducting regular safety inspections and enforcing safety protocols. It's their responsibility to ensure that hazards are identified, risks are assessed, and appropriate control measures are implemented. Whether it's ensuring proper ventilation, managing machine safety, or overseeing the disposal of waste, safety officers uphold the principles of the Factory Act every single day. They are the guardians of worker safety, the custodians of the Factory Act's legacy. And it's not just about compliance, it's about creating a culture of safety where every worker feels protected, where every life is valued. As safety officers, it is our duty to ensure that the principles of the Factory Act are upheld in our workplaces. To understand the Factory Act is to appreciate the strides we have made in worker safety over the centuries. We've journeyed from its inception, a critical turning point in labor history, where it first emerged as a beacon of hope for the working class. Over the years, the Factory Act has undergone numerous revisions and enhancements, each a testament to our growing understanding of workers' rights and safety. These changes have not only shaped the legislation, but also have influenced global perspective on industrial safety. Today, as we apply the Factory Act in our factories and construction sites, we're not just complying with a set of rules. We're participating in a centuries-old legacy of safety and respect for human lives. We're fostering environments where safety is not an afterthought but a fundamental right. Remember, as safety officers and responsible members of our industries, it falls on us to uphold and enforce the principles of the Factory Act, ensuring a safe and healthy work environment for all. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your peers. Your support helps us continue to provide high-quality safety training at HSE training classes.